Hey, it's Luxury Home Tour. You guys are a little early, but the house is all set up, so let's take a quick tour. Thanks. Originally a 1920s Adobe guest ranch, this charming complex of Adobe structures was named La Casita de Maria by the original owners. Today, this very special home has been renovated, expanded, and restored to perfection. Located on a pristine 1.35-acre site, it has outstanding mountain views. You'll enjoy a gated private compound that offers a 5-bedroom home, separate 1-bedroom guest house, complete with roof deck, resort-style pool, and an oversized 3-car garage with shop and storage. The heart of this magnificent home is the kitchen, a stunning design that blends old with new and is certain to meet the demands of any chef. Enter this home and you leave the cares of the world behind you. La Casita de Maria is unique unto itself, a place you can truly call home. For AZ Architecture, Jarson Real Estate, I'm Scott Jarson, and thanks for stopping by.